Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, we got the notification for our back-to-back or consecutive cruise, and it basically outlines what we have to do. So, looks like tomorrow morning we'll be meeting the staff in the Deck 5 dining room, and we'll go from there. It looks like we'll have to be escorted off the ship through immigration and then back on the ship. So we'll see how that goes, okay? So follow along with me, and let's hope for the best. Okay guys, we left everything in the room and we're about to go to the main dining room on Deck 5 for our walk-off. We just have to take our SeaPass card and your passport or some identification so that they can zero us out from this cruise and then check us in for the next one, and they'll issue us new SeaPass cards, is what we've been informed. So let's go through the process and see what it really turns out to be like. All right, out the door. Here we go. Let's go. Cool elevator. Touch the deck. And then it tells you which elevator to go to. D. Okay, let's go. D. Departures. Hey, good morning. Oh, you can be in my video. Deck 5. Here we go. Deck 5. Yeah. We're going to the meeting area. And let's meet the other people who are going to be getting off the ship. Lots of people, about 140 they say. No, the biggest weekend. All right, we got issued new cards. They gave us an envelope, and there you go, new SeaPass cards at Deck 5 dining room. All right, we waited about 30 minutes, and now they're corralling us off the ship. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We're going out of the dining room. Happy days. Royal Promenade. I got the back of your head. Husky parrot. Hey, thank you. Does that look like me? Okay, thank you. All right, we go. We're going off the boat. Woo! We're going off the ship now. We just checked off the ship. Oh yeah, we'll be right back. All right. Here we go, beautiful Orlando. We here, and we're going down the gangway. Terminal.
Maybe they don't show up till like 10 or something.
Immigration. We're walking.
You mean yeah, that little golf cart ramp.
We're going to the luggage pickup. Right, now we're waiting for immigration to get us walk through. Look, stars coming here, which means, I don't know, here we go. Immigration time. It's adventure. Okay, we're making it to immigration right now with our passports. Let's make the loop. All right, guys, we're done. We're back after immigration, had our faces scanned, and now we're walking back on the ship. The whole thing took 45 minutes. Escalator back up to the ship. Yeah, that's 45 minutes, including all of the waiting time. But we are ready for the adventure. The world's biggest weekend. All right, we're back in. We're getting back on the ship now. All right, back to the terminal. You're on video saying that, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
All right, man. We're gonna use our new cards. We have little dots on ours, and we're gonna check in for our next leg of our trip. Right there, just like you're boarding for the first time.
Same picture.
Okay, and, yeah, I guess so, okay. And then we take the short route back onto the ship. And look, you can take a photo early. And that's it. All right, guys. Good morning. We're back on the ship, and that's how you do a back-to-back turnaround. It's pretty easy. And it's actually fairly quick. A lot of waiting, but fairly quick. So thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for watching another video, and as always, have a great day.